right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We made it to Sick Week, so you know what that means. We got the vehicle dialed in. The Trailblazer is running. We drove it 230 miles yesterday from Orlando to South Georgia Motorsports Park, and it ran great. So as a recap for those who may be new to the channel, this is our 2009 Chevy Trailblazer LT. About a year and a half ago, we bought this and it was completely bone stock with 86,000 miles. We went through a couple of variations. We added a turbo, no intercooler, method injection. It made 440 rear wheel horsepower on 9 pounds of boost with no intercooler. Then we added the air to water intercooler. On the same boost, it picked up about 50-60 horsepower and was making roughly 500 horsepower. Since then, we have put a 6L80 into it. We turned it up to 15 pounds of boost, full return style fuel system, still on the stock E67. This thing turned out to make 640 rear wheel horsepower at about 680 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is absolutely wild. So we want to show you what happened on the dyno. We went down to faster proms and Jeremy absolutely crushed the tune. So let me go ahead and show you what that was like, and you guys can see how much power this thing made and how amazing this thing sounds, especially going through the gears.
All right, bud, that's good. That's good. We're getting there. We're getting there. We got a lot of good positives to take out of this because up top it's too rich, and we're also lower on timing than we had been in other areas. So I want to stay here and hang out here for just a little bit. Wow, I look like a wreck. So air fuel is really good for probably 2/3 of the pull. It's a little rich in the beginning and it's too rich on the top. But that's good. That's encouraging. That means that there's room there.
Okay.
And honestly, we're only at like 11.5 pounds right now. So that's outstanding. It's like maybe 12 at 4,300, but it does trail. And so by 6,000, it's it's down a full pound. So it's about 11.5 pounds.
Nice.
At 6,100. So I mean, it's gonna do. It's make that okay. That's great power per pound of boost. We should be seeing like 30, you know. So that's awesome. That's freaking good. That's very, very encouraging.
I mean, that torque number seems a little questionable, being almost 700 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah, that is not legit. But those are spikes and stuff. But I will tell you, somewhere in here is so.
But 532 horsepower for 11 pounds of boost, pretty solid.
Yes. Yeah, no, we're doing very good. We're doing very good. I'm going to clean up all this business, and our curve is starting to look normal since we don't have the methanol, which is interesting. So our curve looks more what you'd expect that graph to look like. So all good things, all coming together. It's just been like herding cats, you know?
For sure, yeah. And the best positive is the transmission was working.
Yes, and it's getting better each time. Like I was throwing more pressure at it. I was doing a few things to kind of just make it be beefier.
What's the temp at? Do you need me to plug the fan in now, or?
I don't know. I do have it. No, 149. It's fine.
Nice. That's good to know.
Yeah, it's fine.
So it's got the remote mount cooler in the back with the fan too, so if needed. What's a good temperature to run on the 6L80, like in general?
I mean, as long as, less than your coolant, I'd like to see, 160s would be good. Right?
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah, we're doing great.
Woo, buddy!
639. Look at that curve.
I don't know. I mean, it definitely breaks traction a lot. So it's like it's hard to. It's like I'll try and walk into it, but even when I was walking into it on the way back, it was breaking traction still. You know.
Yeah, when it gets into boost, it just roast them.
It's ridiculous. So it's like I was soft on the one too. Like I was double, hitting on the brake, like cramming down as far as I could, and then I'll go part throttle again and kind of get a cruise. I tried to get back in and it just goes like.
I got to give a huge shout out to TBM Sport. TBM Sport sells all of the components required to swap a 6L80 into your Trailblazer. Whether you have a factory E67 that can control it or not, he also has a standalone trans controller. TBM Sport was crucial in the swap. I cannot say that enough. Also, huge shout out to Artec Performance for the constant support, Snake Eater Performance for the injectors, Pack Racing, which is Nivelac 57, you guys know on YouTube, as well as Atlas Industries. They came through clutch with a bunch of components. And then Circle D Performance provided us our 3600 billet triple disc converter. Damn, let me think of what is the last company I was going to mention. Atlas Industries.
Lime.
Oh, no. Well, also Lime Swap for the custom harnesses. They made us some extension harnesses for our throttle body as well as our MAF sensor. And last but certainly not least, Faster Proms. Jeremy at Faster Proms absolutely crushed this tune. He is amazing, especially on the 6L80 stuff. He took on the Atlas, never doing it before, and absolutely nailed it. The 6L80 was a little bit of a challenge to get to work, but he crushed it. We've put 230 miles on this thing so far, and it's driven phenomenally. So if you guys are in the market for any of those parts or any of those components or a tune, feel free, please reach out to those companies and give them support. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed the progress we've made on this. My buddy Scott, who's actually behind the camera right now, super clutch in helping getting this thing ready for Sick Week. Without his help, could not have made it happen. So we're really glad to wrap this up. Obviously, being at Sick Week, the next videos you see are going to be us at Sick Week. We have not taken this thing down the track yet, but our goal is hopefully at some point in this week, we're gonna run a 10-second pass in this all-wheel drive turbo Atlas 4200 Trailblazer. So thanks again for all the support. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you are subscribed, I really appreciate all the support. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace. All right, that's it. That's a wrap.